Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Chug Lid Water Bottle is probably one of the most versatile and convenient hydration companions you can own, designed to keep you refreshed whether you're hitting the gym, conquering a hike, or simply navigating a busy workday, ensuring you stay optimally hydrated without missing a beat. Number 5. Iron Degree Flask Camping and Hiking Hydration Flask, 40 ounces. Introducing the Iron Degree Flask, your perfect companion for camping and hiking. This 40-ounce flask is designed for your active lifestyle. Say goodbye to condensation. Its double-wall insulation keeps your drinks ice-cold for up to 24 hours or perfectly hot for up to 12 hours. It never sweats, no matter the temperature. Enjoy your beverages on the go without any spills. The leak-proof straw lid easily clips onto your bag, ensuring convenience and mess-free hydration wherever you venture. Crafted from 18/8 stainless steel, it's BPA-free and non-toxic. You can count on a pure taste, as it won't leave any metallic flavor or rust over time. Remember to hand wash it with warm, soapy water. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This top-rated water bottle is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and gym-goers. Give the gift of hydration that's both practical and durable. Choose from a variety of colors to match their personality. It's a memorable and durable gift that will stand the test of time, perfect for any occasion. What we like? This bottle offers exceptional temperature retention, keeping drinks cold for a full day and hot for half a day. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or need reliable temperature control for long days, this is the choice for you. Its durable build and insulated design make it perfect for hiking, camping, or any adventure where your drink needs to stay just right. What people say. The lid is easy to clean and doesn't leak. The straw is a good size and easy to drink from. It fits perfectly in my car's cup holder. Number 4. Pogo 32 ounces Tritan Water Bottle. Meet your new favorite hydration companion. This large capacity bottle is perfect for keeping you refreshed all day long. Enjoy pure refreshment with its BPA-free construction. The innovative lid design ensures your spout stays clean and protected wherever you go. Cleanup is a breeze. All parts are dishwasher safe, making maintenance simple and hassle-free. Its soft-touch carry loop makes it incredibly comfortable to take with you on any adventure. With its generous 32-ounce size, it's ideal for workouts, hikes, or simply staying hydrated throughout your busy day. Crafted from durable Tritan plastic, it's built to last and completely free from harmful BPA. What we like? With its large capacity and hygienic, covered spout, this bottle is designed for those who need serious hydration without fuss. If you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone who dislikes frequent refills, this is your ideal companion. The easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe parts also make maintenance a breeze. What people say. The Chug lid is a game-changer, making it so easy to drink from. I love the wide mouth opening. It's perfect for adding ice cubes and makes cleaning a breeze. The straw inside is a great feature, allowing for easy sipping without tilting the bottle. Number 3. RAYMYLO 32 ounces Insulated Water Bottle. Experience your drinks at the perfect temperature for longer. Our triple-wall vacuum insulation keeps beverages cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. Don't worry about spills. The secure lids with rubber seals ensure not a single drop escapes, no matter where your adventures take you. Stay refreshed on the move with the convenient straw lid, or opt for the spout lid for easy sipping. Both are designed for your hydration needs. Take it anywhere with the iconic paracord handle, complete with a compass and carabiner. It's the perfect companion for camping and hiking. Enjoy pure taste with food-grade stainless steel that's BPA-free and odor-free. The wide mouth makes it easy to fill and clean, while the powder coating prevents condensation. Your purchase includes the bottle, a carrying pouch, both straw and spout lids with accessories, and cleaning brushes for hassle-free maintenance. What we like? This option boasts advanced triple-wall insulation for superior temperature control and comes with a rugged paracord handle for ultimate portability. If you prioritize both performance and rugged style, especially for outdoor activities like hiking or camping, this is the bottle for you. The included dual lid options offer versatility for quick sips or focused hydration. What people say. The lid is easy to clean and doesn't leak. The Chug Lid is a great addition for faster drinking. It fits perfectly in my car's cup holder. Number 2. CamelBak Chute Mag Insulated Bottle. Enjoy effortless one-handed hydration. The magnetic cap stays out of your way while you drink and seals securely to prevent leaks. Our double-wall vacuum insulation ensures your beverages stay refreshingly cold, perfect for workouts, commutes, or any active day. Don't worry about condensation. The sweat-resistant exterior keeps your hands, bag, and gear perfectly dry. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a tough powder coat, it's designed to withstand daily use and all your adventures. Maintenance is a breeze. Both the bottle and cap are dishwasher safe for quick and convenient cleaning. What we like. Designed for convenience, this bottle features a magnetic cap that stows securely and allows for easy one-handed drinking. If you're always on the move, whether commuting, working out, or just juggling tasks, this bottle is perfect for you. Its sweat-resistant exterior ensures your hands and gear stay dry, making it a practical choice for daily use. What people say. The insulation which allows the item to remain hot and cold is superb and will last for a while. I have had cold water in the bottle remain cold for well over 10 hours. The cap is possibly the favorite thing about this bottle. It, like most bottles, has a rubber rim inside to prevent leakage, but what makes this lid great is the magnetized top which helps guide the lid on, secures the grip, and is bound to the plastic, meaning that you can't lose the cap. It keeps water cold for hours even in the heat of Singapore. Number 1. DBIW Replacement Chug Lid for Wide Mouth Bottles. Stay hydrated with ease thanks to this innovative spout lid. It's designed for maximum flow, allowing for convenient one-handed drinking anytime, anywhere. Plus, its superior gasket ensures a 100% leak-proof seal, so you can toss it in your bag with confidence. This premium replacement lid is designed to fit your favorite wide-mouth bottles perfectly. It's compatible with popular brands like Hydro Flask, Nalgene, and Thermo Flask, ensuring a snug and secure fit for various sizes. Enjoy safe and mess-free hydration with this solid chug lid. Simply twist to open for a smooth sip and close tightly for a secure seal. It's ideal for travel, workouts, or daily use, providing a steady stream without any spills. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, this lid is built for both your health and longevity. Its wide mouth design allows for easy cleaning and quick, big sips. For added convenience, it's top-rack dishwasher safe. Upgrade your bottle with our best-selling Chug Lid, engineered for fast hydration and durable everyday use. Its lightweight, sturdy design enhances your drinking experience, making it the perfect accessory for fitness enthusiasts and travelers alike. As a proud U.S. brand, we are committed to providing high-quality replacement parts. We stand behind our products and offer reliable customer support to ensure your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This replacement lid offers a high-flow spout for effortless, one-handed drinking and a guaranteed leak-proof seal. If you're looking to upgrade your existing wide-mouth bottle for better usability and reliability, this is the perfect accessory. It's ideal for gym-goers, commuters, or anyone who values quick, spill-free hydration on the go. What people say. The lid is very easy to use and clean. The straw is a good size and doesn't leak. It fits perfectly in my car's cup holder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.